Gikuũ kia President wa gatatu wa bururi wa Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki ni kiamukirirwo na kimako kinene atongoria a ngathi itiganite magicakaya gikuũ giake. Harĩ ndumiriri yake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni acakaire Kibaki ta njamba ya bururi irengirahirwo ni utongoria wa kwarahura utonga wa bururi.
A man who we all respect as our third president. A person almost all of us here worked with as his ministers. Today, as Kenya, we have lost a great son of our country and a great leader.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga uria marutithanirie wira makiria hindi ya thirikari ya nuthu mugate akiririkana Kibaki ta mutongoria mwihokeku wendete waragania na waigite bururi mbere ya mundu kiumbe.
Mwai Kibaki is one of the freedom fighters of our country. He has served this country for many years with diligence, with fortitude, with honesty and transparency.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uria wari munini wa Mwai Kibaki ni amuririkanite ta mutongoria waihuritwo ni ugi wa mwanya na wa kwiriririo ni atongoria guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi. Ndumiriri yake kiamukirwo ni mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi.
There are very few leaders even within the African continent with a spirit of selflessness and singular sense of purpose and service to his people more than Mwai Kibaki.
A politician whom Kenyans voted for overwhelmingly against all odds in 2002 and defied what one would have called deep state project or interference.
Nake mutongoria wa kiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula ni agathiriirie ikinya ria thirikari ya Kibaki ya gutuma mbiraru cia Kenya bururi-ini wa Somalia kwitana na itoi cia Al-Shabaab kugacirithia ugiteri wa Kenya na gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro guku uria wari mwaria wa thirikari hindi ya utongoria wa Kibaki Alfred Mutua akiuga ugi wake wari wa mwanya.
As his foreign minister, I ran many missions to stabilize our restless neighbor Somalia and many other pockets of instability, including the Congo.
Aliweza kulipa madeni yaliyokuwa yanagandamiza nchi hii na kubakisha kiasi kidogo sana ambacho kingeweza kulipwa na kimalizike.
Atongoria akuma gitaru kia Mount Kenya matinatigwo na thutha kuririkana njamba ya ruriri. Speaker wa bunge ya bururi Justin Muturi, Martha Karua, Gavana wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria hamwe na atongoria angi aingi makiuga bururi ni worwo ni gitugi no makoiga ndakariganira kaimana.
President Kibaki taught people of this country and of the region great lessons, among them that service to mankind was not an opportunity for personal aggrandizement.
Wiciria mundu uria Ngai ahete ugi munene thiini wa bururi wa Kenya ni muthuri uyu riu atweherera.
Ni tani in particular ni Kibaki ni adeithitie na no njuge ni nginyite hau ndi ni undu wa Kibaki.
But you needed to paint the matatu with a yellow line and now be numbered. You can't just be haphazard all over the place. They tried to go on strike and people said we don't care. We are going to walk. And within a few days, matatus were back on the road, obeying those rules.
Onaguo utongoria wa kanitha wa PCEA ndũnatigwo na thutha kuona Kibaki onake ari mundu mwitigiri Ngai.
Ona tukigua kieha ni turona hari maundu maingi muno tuguthie na mbere kwiruta namo na makiria ateti aria maracaria ite tafadhali thiei muthome ibuku riu ria Kibaki mutuike ateti ega matekwenda maundu ma tuhu na maritungataga muingi wega.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.